Good morning, Gresham Wildcats. Today is Tuesday, April 10th, 2018. We're going to head over to Ms. Jean Court's class this morning for our pledge.
Be my friends.
Hi, I'm Tabea from Ms. Jean Court's class.
Hi, I'm Brea from Ms. Jean Court's class.
Please stand and face the flag and join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you very much. First graders, we're going to head over to Mrs. Hoffman.
Good morning, Gresham Wildcats. Yesterday I made a mistake and I said that the 5th grade class was testing next week. Actually, we're testing this week. Today we are starting. So I apologize for making that mistake. Last night, the Milwaukee Brewers, they beat the St. Louis Cardinals. So good win for them. And I have a little trivia for you. Does anybody know when the Brewers first started to play in Milwaukee? Any guesses?
1957.
It is actually 1970. I was surprised. I thought it would be a back farther date. But anyway, 1970. Have a great day.
All right, thank you very much this morning, Mrs. Hoffman. Mr. H.
So, on this date in 1916, the PGA, the Professional Golfers Association, is formed. Also, fun fact, today is the 100th day of 2018.
I wish I could ask you a question about that, but you did a great job this morning. Thanks.
I know, didn't I? There's no questions to be asked at all, is there?
Nope.
Not a one.
Hey, friends, do y'all know what golf is?
Yeah.
Aw, man, shucks. All right, Mrs. Yeager.
Good morning. It's 29 degrees at Gresham Community School, and it's nice and sunny right now. The sun won't last all day, but enjoy it while it does. It's going to warm up to about 39, tomorrow 48, and on Thursday 53. But then it gets cold again. So enjoy the little taste of spring we're going to have. And remember, on the playground, there's still some snow. Make sure you have all of your gear on if you'd like to play in the snow. And always be safe. Have a great Tuesday.
All right, thank you very much, Mrs. Yeager. Miss Jean Court, we'll head over to you.
Good morning, Gresham Wildcats. Did you know that the dollar sign was introduced in 1788?
All right, thank you very much, Miss Jean Court. Let's head over to Mr. Smith.
Good morning, everybody. First off, I would like to say good luck to all you students that are taking your tests today. Definitely take it seriously and try your best. The joke of the day. Why did the Invisible Man turn down the job offer?
Because it was too visible.
He just couldn't see himself doing it. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Mrs. Berard.
Good morning, everyone. John from Mrs. Goley's class is learning how to add. He has a long equation here. Bottom line, it all equals 100. Good job, John. I believe it's Maya from Miss Yeager's class. Learned that 14 is 10 ones and 4 ones. And Lorelei from Miss Jean Court's class learned that North America, South America, and Central America are connected on the map. Good job, boys and girls. Keep up the good learning. Just a reminder, those of you in Drama Club, please bring back your permission slips as soon as possible. The cake is ordered. The pizza's ordered. We're ready to party next Monday. Bring back your permission slips. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you very much, Mrs. Berard. We're going to head over to Mrs. Truman.
I've just learned that you can't use graph paper. So
and a good morning to all of you, too.
This is
My name is Landon from Mrs.
Our class.
Can you hear us, Miss? Okay. Can you hear us, Miss Philippi? Okay. Go ahead, Landon.
My name is Landon from Mrs. Berard's class, and I'm going to say a poem to you called Crackers and Crumbs. Crackers and crumbs, crackers and crumbs. These are my fingers, these are my thumbs. These are my eyes, these are my ears. They'll all grow bigger in the next 10 years.
And here they are. Then next, we have Emily Jensen.
Hi, my name's Emily from Miss Berard's class. I'm going to be reading a poem called Ladies First. Pamela Percy had ladies first, pushing in front of the ice cream line. Pamela Percy had ladies first, grabbing the ketchup at dinner time. Climbing on the morning bus, she'd shove right by all of us, and there'd be a tiff or a fight or a fuss. When Pamela Percy had ladies first. Pamela Percy screamed ladies first when we went off our jungle trip. Pamela Percy said her thirst was worse and guzzled our water every sip. And when we got grabbed by that wild savage band who tied us together and made us all stand in a long line in front of the king of the land, a cannibal known as Fry 'em Up Dan, who sat on his throne in a bib so grand, with a lick on his lips and a fork in his hand, as he tried to decide who'd be first in the pan. From the back of the line, in that shrill voice of hers, Pamela Percy had ladies first.
Thank you to our 2 poetry readers for today. We'll have 2 more on Thursday. Have a great day, everyone.
All right, thank you very much, Mrs. Truman, and great job, Landon and Emily. Wonderful job this morning. I have a couple visitors in my classroom with a couple of announcements, so I'm going to turn it over to them.
Good morning, Gresham Wildcats. I'm in Miss Phillippi's room today. Okay, so your clue, I actually forgot to bring it with me. However, Landon's poem would be a good thing to remember. Talk to you later.
Oh.
All right, it's me. You get me today. Yay! So this week is proclaimed as Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. Over the last couple of years, schools in Wisconsin have been hit by tornadoes. In 2014, UW-Platteville and Country View Elementary Schools in Verona were damaged by tornadoes. Last year, there were 16 confirmed tornadoes in Wisconsin, including 7 confirmed tornadoes in northeast Wisconsin. Wisconsin averages about 23 tornadoes a year. This Thursday, April 12th, there's going to be a statewide tornado drill. We've done this the last couple of years. The state demands that we do it. The National Weather Service will issue a mock tornado watch, meaning conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes in our area. Remember, mock means pretend. So we're having a pretend tornado watch. Then I'm going to change it at about 1 o'clock to say a tornado watch alerts us to the possibility of tornado. And then I'm going to change it at about 1 o'clock and say it's a tornado watch and let you all know. 1 o'clock, tornado watch, pretend. Nothing to freak out about. And at 1:45, there's going to be a mock tornado warning, which means I turn on all the sound system and make the horn sound funny. Meaning that the warning means that a tornado is imminent or has been sighted. When a tornado warning is issued, we are to go immediately to our designated areas and remain there until notified by the announcement to return to class. So teachers, remember to go to the various areas, talk it over with the class so that they're well prepared. Remember, the correct position is to be on your knees, facing the wall with your heads pulled towards your knees and the hands covering the head. So you got to kind of bend over. Remember, I want you to remember that this is a mock drill. It's not real. If it's a real one, don't worry. My voice will change and you'll know that. It's a mock drill, so we're going to pretend, and I got to time it and report it to the state how long it takes us. So that's what I want to tell you.
All right, I think that is just about everything. I looked at our schedule and we don't have any birthdays. I apparently forgot to do lunch yesterday, so let me see if I can find it for today. It looks like we're having lemon herb chicken dinner roll, roasted hot dog, salsa chips and cheese, baked potato half, our salad bar, nothing else. So I guess I want to wish luck to all of those that are taking the forward exam today. Everybody else, please make sure you are nice and quiet anytime you are in the hallway this morning or this afternoon, because my class is testing this morning. I don't think fourth grade is starting yet. Oh, fourth grade is starting, excuse me. So they're testing this morning, and I know fifth grade is testing this afternoon. So that means if you are in the hallway at any point in time, please, 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 I am begging you, make sure you are truly, truly, truly at that 0 volume, so you aren't interrupting those friends that are testing. Friends who are testing will also have a chair or some sort of sign outside their door that says that they are testing, so pay attention to that as well. So I want to wish everybody a terrific Tuesday. Remember the Wildcat Way and be your best selves today.